loves, welcome back to my channel. So I've never done this before and I don't really receive any hate comments often like a lot of YouTubers do, but I have accumulated like hate comments that I've received like from the past, like recently, like all the hate comments that I've like received, and mainly all of them are just pretty much stupid. That's why I don't really take them like too hard, like I don't really take them so personally. I will say that before, when I was a little bit younger, I would take things like really serious, like it would really affect me. I would get really butthurt and I would cry about it. Now I just screenshot them and send them to my best friend. That's pretty much what I do. Yes. So yeah. So if you guys want to continue watch and see what type of hate comments I get and my response to the hate comments, yes, I will be responding to them. Just stay tuned. And also I do block them right away as well. I just screenshot them. Sometimes I do entertain them, I'm not gonna lie, and then once they start getting like really pesados, then that's when I like block them. So like I said, if you guys want to keep watching and see how savage I am, which I'm not really savage, but yeah. This video, I will put the screenshots of the comments here. Most of the comments, they're from the same person, like repeatedly. And I have this video, well, this screenshot from this video, I forgot what video it was, but it says his name. I'm not even going to like be strict by them. I'm not even going to erase their name. Like, you'll see who they are and they'll see, well, they can't see anymore because I have them blocked. His name is Way Pendejo. Okay, and they're like, ponte braces. I respond with like, para qué si me gusta mi sonrisa? And yes, I do need braces. I'm not gonna lie, I do need them. I have an overbite, but throughout the years I did get used to them. Love my smile. So yeah, that's pretty much what I said. I don't really need bracelets. I don't really want them now anymore than what I did when I was younger. He just responds with, te miras bien culera. I don't know where he saw my ass from, but okay. Pretty much that comment says that you look really ass. Like I said, I don't know where he got my, like where he saw my ass from. Or if it even, yeah, I guess it's the guy because it's pendejo. So they say, you say so yeah too much and you always say the same phrase. Yes, I do. And yeah, like I do say so yeah a lot. I say so a lot. That's just pretty much how I talk. I even talk like that in person as well. So yeah, and he's like, no estés grabando tus jaladas. I don't know what he means by that. What the fuck are jaladas? Like, if you guys don't like my videos or don't see it interesting, just exit to the left. Like, one, estás bien pendeja. Fool, you don't even know me. Like, you're the pendejo one. Because, I mean, you're the one who wrote your own name, Way Pendejo. So, I mean, mira quien habla con el nombre. Here's another hate comment on my blog where I was talking about the biopsy. If you guys don't know, I did have a biopsy and I had surgery. I had a lump on my right breast. Thankfully, it wasn't cancer. It was benign. So, yeah, I was pretty much explaining what was going on and all of that, and someone comments by saying, go to school and learn to talk. When you talk, I think you are on some think. I think they meant something. And no, I don't take any drugs. I don't drink, I don't get high, I don't smoke. Is that what they're probably responding to, mentioning? Because they're like, when you talk, I think you are on something. Yeah. And like I said, I did went to school. I graduated high school. I went for 2 years in college as well. If you guys know me since I was younger in school and stuff, you guys would notice that I have been a little bit better with my vocabulary. I do talk a little bit more English than what I used to when I was younger. I do have an accent. I am Mexican, Latina, Chicana, however you want to call it. So I do have an accent. And I do struggle with my English sometimes. Yeah, so if you guys don't like the way I talk, like I said, exit to the left. On this video of me talking, like letting you guys know the story of how I met my fiance, this person comments, "Pretty girl that can't speak English. You cool though." So I don't know if that would be considered like a hate comment, but I still put it here because they're still making fun of like my English. So I'm like, "Oh, thanks," and then they're like, "You're welcome, I subbed to you." I'm like, well, I guess my pretty face made you subscribe to my channel, even though you said that I suck at speaking English. But she comments, "No offense, but that is way too much makeup. I wouldn't really want to watch someone putting makeup on for 17 minutes. It's boring, literally." And like I said, if you guys don't like my videos or how long they are, just don't click on my video. On my Q&A video that I made recently, someone commented, "Boring, ... So, and that's all. So I guess they were like saying how boring my video is and that I say the word "so" a lot. But if you could write something and like hate on it, elaborate a little bit more, and also don't comment if you're not going to get to the point. I've gotten, these are like the most recent ones that I've had of hate comments. This person, same, Spanish, his name is Nestor, FLOMBL. He commented on my vlog from Mexico up 2 years ago, the 2016 one, well, ending 2016. He's all like, "Yo no sabía que en Hanambo," which is where my parents are from, "ya señalaba inglés." I think he meant enseñaban inglés. "Pinche chicos, chicas." I think he did mean "pinche chicos a nopalera." Yes, I do suck at reading in Spanish, but either way, this comment, nopalera. Yeah. And then he also commented on my other Mexico vlog, which was the one from ending 2015 going to 2016. They're like, "Hola puta gringa." Where does he see the gringa in me? Only because I speak English? No, like no fool. No, I'm not a gringa, I'm Mexican. Mexican, Hispana, Latina, Chicana. Okay, okay. "Si tienes hambre, ya come tunas fea." On that one, he commented on the same one of the ending 2015 video. I mentioned on the video that I was hungry only because it was Christmas Eve and they were making tamales, and obviously I wanted tamales. So I was like, I want tamales. And that's why he commented if you're hungry, then eat some tunas. First of all, I don't really like tunas. And yeah, not much to say on that one. So yeah, my loves, that's pretty much it about all the hate comments. Like I said, I will have the screenshots for you guys right here to see. And like I said, if you guys don't really like my videos, don't watch them. If you think you might write some hate comments, if you're just going to be straight out mean, just leave. But if you're just thinking of probably just writing hate comments, elaborate on what you're hating on. So yeah, if you guys are going to talk about my English, yes, I know I have an accent. I have noticed I've gotten better on speaking English throughout the year, but I can't help my accent. English is not it's not my first language, it's my second language. My first language is Spanish. So yeah, not much to do there either. What else did we talk about? Oh, my braces. Well, me getting braces. I don't feel like I need them anymore. I really love my smile. I always have, even though I wanted braces before. But I really do love my smile. What else did it say? That's about it, pretty much. They just talk about hating on my English. That's it. So, if you guys do want me to do another hate comment video, just let me know. Like I said, I don't get hate comments often, and I'm not saying I want hate comments either. I am blessed to not have as many as like most of my fellow YouTubers do. So yeah, but if you guys did like this video, just let me know in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And like that person said, they still subscribe because of my pretty face. And if you guys think I have a pretty face, just please subscribe. No, but seriously, if you're just gonna hate on someone, just exit to the left. Bye. No one really needs your hate and the comment. We already have a lot of hate in this world in general. So yes, exit to the left. And I'll see you guys on my next video.